We sit here in North Minneapolis, which had serious crime issues and poverty issues, but just like a little bit away from the most incredible urban park in America, in Worth Park, where a bunch of us are going to be skiing in the Lopan in a few weeks, and yet it seemed forever. Well, this project becomes this great bridge between Worth Park and the neighborhood in a way that Tanya can live in this place and have a wonderful, sustainable thing. And by the way, I don't think it's any accident that you're breathing better here. That's about what these buildings are about. So thank you, everybody, for being part of it, starting with the neighborhood, including an amazing developer and Home Depot. But thanks for also talking to each other, because I think so often in the work that we're doing, we're so proud of our affordable housing work, we're so proud of our sustainability, we're so proud of neighborhood engagement, et cetera, but when it all comes together, this is really, really powerful. So I want to say thank you, and I hope we continue to give you things to celebrate. And we do think we're the best city in the country at all this, but you've helped us get there. So thank you.
Relationships. So when RT comes up, and I know he will momentarily, to talk about building a great city, which is what he's been pushing and what all of us want to be a part of, this is a step in that direction. Understanding, again, how these places are around as quality assets for the community forever. You know, if I can quote Don, the first time Don went through here, he said, to me, Ripley Gardens, although it has a lot of great things about it, and won an award because we did some good things here, that's just a first step. It's kind of a first step for Aon, as a first step for the community to keep pushing. The projects we do, places we make 3 years from now, 4 years from now, 5 years from now, have to be better than this one, because that's what the community calls for. That's what the community is going to need, especially in the environment we're in today. And so we're excited at Aon to be a part of that.